What's up people, ManRat here, coming to you with a video. This time we are going to be unlocking or unboxing and reviewing a Cook's electric kettle. This is a 1.75 liter stainless steel kettle, 1 year limited warranty, BPA free, 1700 watts for heating, auto shut off for added safety, and 360 base so it can swivel. Looking at the side, the stainless steel exterior, water drip spout, push button lid, 360 base, on off switch, and the base. This side has the same thing, so let's get started. Opening it up. And right off the back you have the electric kettle owner's manual. Moving right along, this is the kettle. We're going to be taking the protective casing off. This is the base, and there are copper contact points, one here, and power cord seems to be short. Hang on, they wrapped it around. Okay, that's good. Oh wow, this is almost a 2.5 foot power cord. Even though it is 1500 watt, it just uses a standard power outlet to connect. So I'm going to put that aside. Now for piece of resistance, the main kettle. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it's about 8 inches or 9 inches tall. Side to side is about 8 inches. And the lid, wow, button push, and again just push the button, it pops open. Inside it has a max and middle fill line, so I'm gonna do that and fill it up and see how long it takes. Alright, the base is plugged in. I'm gonna just plug in the kettle, and even without powering it on, it actually does swivel, and this is the on off button. Please never operate a kettle without water. Cannot say that enough. It is for your own safety. It's going to burn the mechanism. So just open it up and refill it. Preferably refill it off the base. Do not plug it in. So I'm going to take that off and I'm going to fill it. Alright, it has been filled to the max line. Again, not till the very top because it is going to boil over. And the max fill line right underneath the words max, which is right there. There's a small little line. And it has a spout here also, I guess. So we're going to turn it off, close it, and make sure it's dry. And we're going to start the timer and see how long it takes. The baseline test that I did, the temperature of the water that I was using was 35 or 33 degrees Fahrenheit. And the time that I'm going to stop the stopwatch is when that clicker goes off. That means the water has got to the optimum boiling point. I can already see some steam escaping from the side vents. Let's do a quick temperature read. Alright, so the baseline temperature that it actually reached was 176 degrees Fahrenheit. This definitely is a big thumbs up for me. As always, like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions or concerns, drop them in the comments below. And I will see you guys and gals on the next one. Later, people.